Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we continue, the risk warning: your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. So here we are in ranging market. You can see Bollinger Squeeze here. Market is not ready to break this level. I will place my trade put option because I know market is not ready to break this level. Sellers must enter at this level, so that's why I place my trade put option, because of this ranging market. So I know definitely this candle must be red candle, even though market is doing some panic. So maybe on the expiration time sellers will enter. That's why I place my trade put option. So let's see, we have 20 seconds now. You see sellers entry. Definitely this candle must be red candle, because this area is not ready to break now. So that's why I place my trade put option. Even though we are in strong major trend, I know this candle must be red, so that's why I place my trade option put option. So what you can see here, anytime market breakout, you should expect a retracement back to this level. So maybe market will start going up, because here you can see this level is very strong level. So market break this level, so you should expect a retrace back to this level. So anytime, even though this market is not very good one, so you can manage to trade after breakout. Don't trade around this level, don't trade consolidation area. Wait for the breakout in the in upper direction or lower direction. So otherwise you will fail if you trade here between these weeks. So you don't know where market is going at this level, so you must wait for market to break out. When you market break out, then you try to take your trade at least at this area, because you see rejection and this candle didn't break this Bollinger, and the Bollinger is flat, and you see this area is not being broken, and here you see multiple rejection. Here means sellers are very strong at this level, so that's why I place my trade put option. So on the next time, if market reach this area, you can place your trade call option. So this is the way that you trade this type of market. So that's why I place my trade. That's why I place my trade so let's check another one. You see here market is trying to reverse at this level here. I'll go with bias, because I know definitely bias must enter at this level, because it's the same scenario in this level as market do in this area, it must do in this area. So that's why I place my trade call option here. I know definitely this candle must be green candle, even though market is not good. You see up and down, so bias must, this candle must be green candle. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. So only you have to be very careful on the entry point, because this type of market is difficult to place your trade. Because of the entry point, it can take you to bad position like this area and reject it. So that's why you see here what you will observe, as I have told you, you see here, breakout of this level, sellers entry, breakout of this level, buyers entry. So anytime this type of market, you will just trade here. It's very simple to analyze this type of market. You can take your trade quickly. As you can see, I took my trade in this candle, and I also took my trade on this candle. So it's very easy to predict this type of market. Only wait, exercise patience for market to come this level, then you can take your trade. When it comes this level as well, you can take your trade. So don't be hesitate, or don't be rushing to take trade. Just exercise patience. When the market reaches this level, then you can take your trade. So let us analyze another market. So I will take only 3 trades, because you see the situation of the market is not nice. Too much market up and down. So even though you see here, everywhere market is bad, so it's very dangerous, this type of market. You have to be wait and carefully predict the direction of the market. You see here you cannot see. Let's change another one. This one is not nice. Okay, maybe here we can take our trade. Here we can take our trade here, even though the C gap down, breakout. So let's wait. But this markets gap down, so because of this gap down, we have to wait. Otherwise we can place call option, but this gap down is not very clear, so we'll wait. This gap down past the buyers sellers area, break the sellers area, so that's why I didn't place my trade, because it's very dangerous, because market may reverse. This is 3 black crown, so we'll wait. Otherwise we'll follow Mina trend if this candle is hammer, but it's not hammer, so it may retrace back. So let's wait, because of 1 2 3 candles, sometimes market will retrace. And you see this area, breakout of this area. Anytime market break level, you should expect at least 1 candle retracement. So that's why I didn't place my trade. And it can make peg breakout of this 100 EMA, because it's too far from 200. At this level market can make peg breakout, but you see market is trying to reach 200 EMA, but it's very fast, very fast. So I will not enter. You see the way market is behaving is not nice. Here is buyers area, and the gap down in the buyers area, maybe buyers may enter, and the momentum is strong. Sellers may also enter, so you have 50-50 chance at this level. You have to wait this level, because of this gap down. This is the sellers area, sellers may enter, and because of the momentum, buyers may enter as well. So you have to wait. You see it's rejecting. You see buyers is trying to enter because of the gap down. You see, that's what I have told you. You see. So because of this momentum, that's why I didn't place my trade call option, because of the momentum. That's why I didn't place my trade call option at this level, because I know definitely this area buyer is supposed to enter. Buyer is supposed to enter, and this is the reversal pattern candle. It may reverse and it may, so I will wait again. You see 100 is 100 EMA is flat. EMA is flat, so I will wait. This, let's see here. This candle close exactly at this level, because the market is not nice. This may not work. You see, then the 2-bar retracement. So maybe if I see rejection, I can place, yes, I place call option because of advanced SNR technique here. This is advanced SNR techniques, so that's why I place my trade call option. I know definitely market will not break this level, so this candle must close above my entry point. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. You see. So this is advanced SNR technique. So that's why I place my trade call option, and this is the winning trade. So here you can see what you'll observe here, strong momentum of the sellers. So that's why here I supposed to go is buyers. I know buyers supposed to enter, but we are closer to this EMA. So we are closer to this EMA. So sellers may enter. That's why I didn't go with the buyers at this level. So after sometimes you see buyers enter. So that's why you have to be very careful if you see momentum, even though we are in ranging markets, you see flat AMS, flat Bollinger. So anytime maybe if you see what do you call it, reversal pattern, market may reverse. So because of this momentum, and we break all the EMA, you see, breakout. So because of all EMS breakouts, market may reach this level, but here is the bias area, buyers may enter. So that's why I told you this candle is supposed to be green, but because of the momentum, anytime don't go against momentum. You can predict, but it may fail. So don't go against momentum. Anytime you see strong momentum, just don't avoid the trade, even though if you think or if you predict the next candle will be green. So I predicted, I know this candle must be green, supposed to be green, but because of the momentum and the breakout of all EMS, that's why I didn't go with buyers at this level. I just wait. So you see, after strong entry of the sellers, then buyers enter. But here we have Morningstar here. So because of this Morningstar, this candle immediately come to this level. So if you get chance below the Morningstar candle, you can place your call option as advanced SNR technique. If it is engulfing candle, you can also trade like that. If it is Morningstar, you can trade as well. So that's why I place my trade call option. So you can see I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. This is the first trade, I trade here. This is the second trade, I trade call option here. This is the last trade, third trade, I trade call option as well. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe for more videos. If you have any question, I'm ready to answer your question, or if you have any suggestion, please drop your suggestion below this video. I will say thank you. Bye bye.